Und dann gehen wir gleich. Welcome back to Tea and Thoughts. Today I want to talk to you about something that has become really important to me. Spending time in nature and going for walks. It may seem like a very simple thing, but these walks have given me much more than just fresh air or exercise. Whenever life feels overwhelming, nature helps me to slow down. One thing I've noticed is that the best ideas rarely ever come to me when I'm sitting at my desk. They often appear when I'm walking. Somehow, movement makes me think more clearly. Nature reminds me that everything moves in its own rhythm. And then there's Dexter. Walking with him teaches me something every day. Every walk feels a little different. Sometimes I return with new ideas. Sometimes I even find answers. And sometimes I simply come back a little lighter. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.